I just turned it off, guys, and a big old bass.
Oh, God.
Big mama on the frog, guys.
That's how you want him to eat it right there. It was gone.
Hey guys, what's going on? Before we start this video, I wanted to thank you guys so much for 25,000 subscribers. You guys are awesome. We're actually gonna choose a winner for the 25,000 subscriber giveaway right now. Alright, we are at the YouTube random comment picker. I entered the URL to the video for the giveaway. And now we are going to start the raffle and pick the random winner. Who's going to win the mystery tackle box and the hooked and tag merch? Winner, Rochelle Carr. I think I said that right. I like the videos when you save the fish. Alright, Rochelle, make sure you send me an email so I can get you all your stuff for your giveaway. But guys, don't worry. If you missed the giveaway, I'm doing another one. If this video gets 2,000 likes, that's right, 2,000 likes in 2 days, I will give away one of these custom reels. I know it's a ton of likes, but I know you guys can do it if you really want a custom reel. But anyways, guys, I will see you at the unboxing. What's going on, YouTube? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you guys are not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button, join the army, the strongest fishing army on YouTube. But guys, today we have a video I've been waiting for a very long time. We're actually here at Lojo's place, and Lojo's actually right over there. That's why I'm pointing to him. But guys, I have some custom reels to unbox. I honestly think that I might have the coolest reels out of any YouTuber on YouTube. So, anyways guys, I've had this package for a long time. I actually sent him out to Bearded Bass Co. He was nice enough to paint these for me for free. But I sent him a Corrado, a 13 fishing concept, and I sent him a different, and a Daiwa Tatula. So I sent him 3 reels. I have no clue what they look like. I just told him, paint them whatever you think looks cool. I don't know what color they are. I haven't opened them. I'm so excited. Let's get in the box. Okay. So while we're opening this, big shouts out, I gotta back up. Big shouts out to my boy Bearded Bass Co. I'll leave him linked down below, his Instagram, stuff like that.
I'm excited. I want to see these things, man.
Come over here, Lojo. Oh my gosh, dude, I just took a peek. Take a little peek really quick. Oh my gosh. All right, I see one that looks really cool. I've only seen one, so I'm gonna grab a different one. Oh my god.
I like this blind grabbing that you're doing.
Alright, yeah, I'm not looking. We look together. Ooh, guys, look at that. Bam, baby. Look at that, guys. This is, what kind of reel was this? Which reel was this of mine? This is a Corrado. This is a Corrado.
Like a Corrado.
I know this is a Corrado, guys. This was a Shimano Corrado, and I told him just, you know, whatever you think would look cool. So, this one has like a kind of like, what would you call that? Like an aquamarine? Oh, we got a before and after. All right, so here we'll do the before first. All right, so that's a before Corrado, guys. Pretty lame. All right, look at this. Look at this customized reel. Oh my gosh, that's the after. Dude, what? What color would you call this? Aquamarine?
Either that or teal, like
teal?
a light teal.
And then you got like purple on the edges, guys. I already know I have the coolest reels in the game, so. Alright, where's the other one? What is it? Oh! Look at that, I got a beanie.
Man, I don't even have a beanie yet. What's up, Bearded Bass Co? Look, I need a beanie too. I'm repping you guys.
Alright, we're repping the beanie. Look at that. I look like a goober in a beanie. I grabbed something soft out of there. I was like, that doesn't feel like a reel. Alright, guys, reel number 2. This is a Daiwa Tatula with a 7:1 gear ratio, guys, and this is going to be my frogging reel. I have 65-pound braid on there. It was actually really cool, which was completely unplanned, is my frogging rod is actually like black and green, and that'll go crazy good in combo. The black and orange with the green line. That just looks so good. I honestly wasn't expecting them to be this cool. I seriously think I have the best reels out of anybody ever. Guys, the last one, okay. So you guys have seen my jerkbait reel, and you also have seen my frogging reel. But guys, this is my jigging reel. This is what I use to flip the docks, to flip the jigs, maybe even throw a Texas rig, guys. This is a 13 fishing concept. You guys won't even recognize it. Oh my gosh. Dude, no way.
That's sick.
Look at that, guys. The orange with the black, like, I don't even know what you would call that, like it almost looks like a rustic kinda, I don't even know what you call that, guys. Even the back, so much detail. Oh my goodness. Oh, and look, just like the power handles on the 13 fishing, guys. This is so cool.
Let's go fish with him right now.
We seriously are about to go fishing with these. Wait, Lojo, come bring your... Lojo has got 2 custom reels as well. So we're gonna have Lojo show off his reels that Bearded Bass Co. did for him as well. But guys, I just can't get over this reel. And it's not even like paint, it has like a texture to it. This is Lojo. He's been on my channel a lot of times, all of the time.
Cool, big fancy camera.
So he has 2. I have 3 because
I mean, of course. But see, I was the first one. I was the first YouTuber to get. Well, that I don't know.
Yeah, but I think mine are better. But we'll let you guys be the judge.
See, I got these done a couple months ago, so I'm sure Norm's.
Oh, yeah. Now he has more experience.
The guy at Bearded Bass is probably better at it now. So
definitely.
So you can thank me for how cool those look.
Yes,
basically.
thank you.
I've got a Pissy Fun Torrent here, guys, and that's what it kind of turned out. Very cool. It's white with like a powder coat finish with the little blue. What do you call that, Norm? Like when paint is just kind of drizzled on there.
That's like a splatter.
Yeah, like a splatter, like a blue splatter. So it's just,
I feel like when you're finger painting and you go like that.
Yeah.
Not like a finger paint or anything.
You take a brush and just slap it against something.
That's beat the devil out of it. Bob Ross.
This was pretty legit, man. The camo.
That one's actually pretty cool.
This is my favorite, guys, by far. This is the white camo. Check that out. It's a Cast King Royale Legend, but it's got this white camo pattern.
How do you even do that?
Focus.
I think that is focus.
Oh. Yeah, so the white camo, I use this for frog fishing quite a bit. It's got the braid on there. I don't know how he did this, but this is by
Are those
far,
like stickers, or how did he do the camo part?
I think, I mean, that's real. That's on there. I don't know how he did it, but dude, Jeremy, you outdid yourself with this reel right here, dude. The white camo. Crazy. That's freaking sick. So I'll definitely be sending some of my reels back.
Also, I've noticed the further this video's going on, guys, we went fishing all day today. Look at this sunburn. Oh my gosh.
Holy
Talk about a farmer's tan.
Guys, how many times have I said white long sleeve UV shirts, baby? I am completely protected. Look at your boy over here.
But guys, these reels are awesome. I'm gonna go through one more time and just show you guys all the reels, and I want to know down below which reel you guys think is the best reel, and it can be either mine or it can be either Lojo's. So, starting out with my favorite, guys, is this 13 Fishing Concept, and that's just the orange with like the black kind of splatter effect on it. Alright guys, next up is the jerkbait reel with kind of like the purple splatter on it with the teal, the aquamarine, whatever you want to call it. That is the Corrado with a 6:3:1 gear ratio. Guys, I'm gonna be using these so much. Dude, I'm gonna be filming with my custom reels and people are gonna be like, wow, this guy's a pro. Oh, bless you. Stop sneezing. We're going over reels. And this one almost is like the opposite of the 13 Fishing. So you got the black with the orange splatter instead, which honestly looks really cool. And it's almost kind of more like low key, I think. But this is my frogging reel, the Daiwa Tatula with a 7. I think it actually has a 7:3:1 gear ratio. I don't think I can see it anymore. I can't see what gear ratio it has anymore because it's painted over. But guys, these just look so cool. So we're gonna show you guys Lojo's too one more time. Here's the camo one. What type of reel was this again?
Cast King Royale Legend, I believe.
Cast King Royale Legend?
I think.
Okay, I don't know Cast King, but guys, this is Lojo's frogging reel. That thing, I love the camo. That must have taken a lot of time. These custom reels are crazy. I'm about to send all my reels off and get them all painted. This one's yours, right?
Yeah, that was mine. Yeah, that was one of his first splatters, I think, right there.
This is one of the ones that he first did, the original one. The gray with the little blue splatter. I don't know. Let me know your favorite one down below. I'm gonna let you guys know right now. 13 Fishing is my favorite, but let me know your favorite down below. A huge shout out to Bearded Bass Co. Thank you so much for painting those reels. I seriously think that I have the coolest reels. Me and Lojo have the coolest reels out of any YouTuber. If you guys know a YouTuber has cooler reels, let me know, because I don't think there is one. But anyways, guys, I do want to get more of my reels customized, so let me know if I should do that by leaving a comment down below and leaving a like rating on the video. If you guys are not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're doing. Hit the subscribe button to join the army, the strongest fishing army on YouTube, because we have cool reels. But anyways, guys, that is going to do it for the video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. It's a big one, and my camera was off, dude. Guys, I got a toad. I got a toad.
Yeah, I got him.
He choked it. We're good.
Oh, my camera was off. I'm so mad at myself. I just turned it off, guys, and a big old bass.
Oh, God. Dude, that thing is a monster.
Yeah, it's like a 7-er.
I'm coming.
He's not. He choked it so hard.
Choke it, but still, man, you never know when they're gonna shake it.
He's not shaking it. I'm not worried about it. Look at that! Look at that mama. Big mama on the frog, guys. My camera was off though. I feel like such a dingus. I shut it off maybe 15 seconds before I caught that fish. Because I was paddling over. I was like, give her away. Guys, that's how you want them to eat it right there. It was gone. First fish on my custom reel. And these are my legs. You guys just got a fresh shot of my sunburnt legs. You're welcome for that.
6.23. We were both dead.
6.23.